let's go ahead and begin. Some of the things you're going to need are, you're going to need glitter. You can use any color for this job, any kind of brand. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure it's a color that you don't mind staring at for your project or whatever you're going to use this for. You're also going to need Mod Podge. You can get this from Michael's or Walmart as well. It just has to be gloss. The gloss is clear. It does dry clear. You're also going to need a can of spray paint. I use the Krylon brand Triple Thick Crystal Clear Glaze. This is going to make sure it sticks. And then you want to also use a brush, or what I use is a spongy thing. You can also get it at Michael's or Walmart. So let's begin. I'm going to start with the mannequin head. I'm going to open the Mod Podge, take it out, pour it all over the mannequin head. Make sure you lay down something that you don't mind getting dirty, because Mod Podge is very messy. Even though it does dry clear, for the meantime, it's messy. So make sure you go over each part of the mannequin head, get all the crevices, just get everywhere around. Make sure you go over from top to bottom, or bottom to top. Alright, now here's for the fun part. So once you pour the Mod Podge all over the mannequin head, go ahead and take your glitter and sprinkle it all over your mannequin head. I like to start with the top only because I can control it a lot better. There's a hole at the bottom of the mannequin head, so when you put your finger in there, it allows you to, move the mannequin around while you're sprinkling it. Now you will notice that there are some spots where the Mod Podge, maybe I just didn't get in there. You can take your brush and, use the tip of it, corner of it, put some Mod Podge on it, and go ahead and sprinkle your glitter. Glitter dries clear, so the best part about that is you won't see it once your job is complete. Now, even though this is a really bad angle, because of the glitter, what I did is I went ahead and lined the bottom of the base of the mannequin head with the Mod Podge so that I can go ahead and sprinkle the glitter by lifting it and pushing it up. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for a couple more minutes just to make sure I covered it all the way. Go ahead and take your spray paint, your clear spray, and make sure you're not in an enclosed area. Spray paint is very strong, so you want to make sure you do this process outside. I used an old beat up chair that I had, one that I was going to throw away anyway, so I didn't mind messing this one up a bit. If you don't have anything like a chair, make sure you just line your ground or line whatever you're going to use with plastic or something that you don't want to mess up your floor or item or stand or chair. So spray it from a distance. You see right there, if you notice I missed a spot, I can go over that again with the Mod Podge. However, it definitely is very, very pretty. It shines right through the sun. So spray from a distance, go over it a couple times, just make sure you cover all of it in full. And then once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and let it air dry for 30 minutes and spray it again.